The MC75 is our latest product introduction in our handheld mobile computing business, and it follows on to our successful introduction, in fact, our fastest ramping product ever, the MC70. With the MC75, we introduced some new functions and new features in both communications of voice and data. For example, the MC75 incorporates HSDPA and EVDO Rev-A functionality in terms of WAN capability. HSDPA makes this device capable of having both simultaneous voice and data transmission for the first time in one of our devices. We also have 802.11 A, B, and G wireless LAN built into the device for usage inside the four walls of the enterprise, so that with its WAN functionality and its LAN functionality, this device becomes applicable both inside the enterprise as well as the far reaches of the enterprise. The MC75 also takes our traditional QVGA screen, and that becomes a VGA screen on the 75, giving you 4 times the resolution that you would have received on prior screens. We have increased the memory configuration from 128 to 128/256. There is built-in GPS. There is a 2-megapixel autofocus camera, which gives you great functionality in terms of being able to capture not only images, but even documents, to capture a crisp document and to be able to send that for either proof of delivery, proof of contract, proof of damage, even with high-quality pictures. And that's in addition to either an imager or a laser scanner built into the device. It also incorporates Bluetooth so that you have the functionality of Bluetooth accessories such as headsets or printers that you can use to take advantage of the output of the device. Many of our mobile devices have been created based on a platform architecture, and the MC75 is a prime example of that. It builds on a prior architecture, which makes it much simpler for our partners and our ISVs to actually port their applications from the 70 to the 75. That, in addition to the use of Windows Mobile 6, makes it much easier for a broad range of applications to be available in a shorter amount of time. More and more applications are becoming available for the 75, and in addition, the new functionality is opening up new potential markets for us with the MC75. For example, you might see an MC75 being used by an insurance adjuster, somebody on the road who could actually capture information about an accident and transmit that information immediately back to the home office. We're also looking at opening other areas such as real estate or perhaps finance, verticals that we haven't traditionally addressed in the past. Because the MC75 is based on the platform from the MC70, there's a whole universe of accessories that were made for the MC70 that will be compatible with the MC75. That will make it much easier for people to transition or to have a heterogeneous mix of devices in an enterprise.